One man became a ghost, feared in the white chaos. He was Simo Häyhä, a master sniper of the winter. In freezing temperatures, his relentless fight began. Snow wrapped around him, disguising his lethal presence. The cold itself became his greatest weapon. Watch as snowflakes dance around a hidden rifle. With each shot, the silence was piercing and lethal. The enemy didn't stand a chance against his aim. One shot ended lives, just iron sights and skill. Enemies trembled, retreating under a fierce snowstorm. Simo's legend grew as panic spread through their ranks. Soldiers whispered his name in fear and awe. Over 500 kills during one of history's fiercest winters. But there's more to uncover in this chilling saga. What happened next was his ultimate battle. Don't miss part 3 of The White Death.